Hello everybody, it's me Tian here. I hope everybody's doing great. Now, let's talk about the rugby. The Springboks obviously played against Argentina on Saturday, and the Springboks have beaten Argentina 29-27, and what a game it was. I mean, yeah, obviously by the Springboks beating Argentina, the Springboks have won the rugby championship, and Kainan Moody obviously received a yellow card in the first minute, and it went off for a bunker review for a hard tackle, and it remained a yellow card. Kainan Moody didn't really play well compared to how he usually plays. And no, Kainan Moody is a brilliant player. Defensively, attacking wise, he's good under the high balls. He's a really good player. Just didn't play up to his usual standards, up to how he usually plays. But Malcolm Marx and Kobus Reinach obviously played brilliantly. Now Malcolm scoring 2 tries and Kobus also scoring 2 tries. Kobus scored in the 37th minute and in the 51st minute, and Malcolm obviously scoring the 43rd minute and the 58th minute of the game. Obviously, Kobus Reinach got man of the match, but I personally would have given it to Malcolm Marx, because he also played very well. But Kobus got it, and I'm not upset about it. He also deserved it. Um, yeah, I mean the Springboks got won 9 out of the 10 lineouts, which means they have a 90% lineout success rate, and that the Springboks also won 7 out of 8 scrums, which gives them an 88% scrum success rate. But Argentina also played very well. They had an opportunity to win the game, but unfortunately they couldn't. Yeah, but ultimately in the end, the Springboks won, and they won the rugby championship. But it was very close. It could have gone either way. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Who do you guys think must have been man of the match? Are you guys happy with Kobus Reinach, or should it have been anyone else? Yeah, please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I really appreciate everybody watching my videos. This is me, Tian, signing out.